Un día nuestro lamento se transformará en gozo. Nuestro pan diario. El pensamiento de hoy está escrito por Alison Kida.
耶稣说：“我就是生命的粮，到我这里来的必定不饿，信我的永远不渴。”灵命日粮，以下内容由灵命日粮事工提供，李芳主持。
弟兄姐妹，主内平安，我是李芳。在今天的灵命日粮，我们要借着新约的约翰福音。
One day our sorrow will be turned into joy.
Our daily bread.
Today's encouragement from the Our Daily Bread devotional was written by Alison Kida. Kelly's pregnancy brought complications, and doctors were concerned. During her long labor, they whisked her away for a cesarean section. But despite the ordeal, Kelly quickly forgot her pain when she held her newborn son. Joy had replaced anguish.
From grief to joy. From grief to joy. From grief to joy.
到那日，我们的忧愁要变为喜乐。
Will be turned to joy.
Will be turned to joy. Will be turned to joy.
Will be turned to joy.
From grief to joy. One day our sorrow will be turned to joy.
到那日，我们的忧愁要变为喜乐。
Kelly's pregnancy brought complications, and doctors were concerned. During her long labor, they decided to whisk her away for a cesarean section. But despite the ordeal, Kelly quickly forgot her pain when she held her newborn son. Joy had replaced anguish.
凯莉在怀孕期间出现并发症，令医生有点担心。由于她的分娩，到那日，我们的忧愁要变为喜乐。